Alright, so if you're watching this, that means you had to go through the excruciating pain of making all of these the right elevations. Well, you can go through them. Another way you can do it, I figured out, is you can just go through and change them this way. But you have to make sure that you're matching the points up properly. So the one at easting 500 would, in northing 100 would be 100, I think. It's blocked right now. 106, and then 109, and then 96, and 97, and 102, and so on. So, you can do it that way. I'm going to show you how you can just input all this stuff into a notepad file, and yeah, it's easier. So, we're going to do that. It's going to be your first column is going to be point number, separated by a comma, then easting, comma, and then north, comma, and elevation. And another way to look at it, if you don't like that, is the x, comma, the y, the comma, and the z. So, if you go down, you can do point number 1, point number 2, point number 3, point number 4, point number 5, 6. I'm gonna open up my old stuff. Got it. There it is, okay. Until it looks like that. So, eventually, basically just copy this. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and so on. So if you see the first column is point number, then easting, and then northing, and so on, yeah. You have to put it on these decimal places, they really aren't going to make a difference. But the coolest thing about this is that when you import them into Civil 3D tool space, you go and right click, create a surface, and you're going to name your surface contour constructing. Initial. That's it. Okay. Style and render material, we're going to play with that a little bit, but for now, I'm just going to show you guys how to make a surface. So technically you have a surface, but it doesn't show anything. If you go to point file, you click add, right click, and then you go to, you import your thing that you just made, basically copy it off of mine, which is what you guys are going to end up doing. You click OK, OK. Does it make sense? And it's wrong. You know why it's wrong? Because I didn't do it right. But all you guys are going to make the same mistake I did, so before you ask, what's wrong with that? It's because you didn't use space delimited, or comma, I don't know. However, delimited just means how you separated each of your columns. So you could have done it with a comma or a space. Nonetheless, as long as you select the right thing for how you made your notepad file, it should be good. Click OK. Does that make sense? And there it is. Alright, so. So, the reason that it's like that is because I need to delete the last one. And if I rebuild, it should fix itself. And it did, so, yeah. For this tutorial, we're just turning in the surface. It should look just like this. So,